Process Intelligence Solutions, 7 Ways to Boost ROI 37% in 2025. 73% of business processes are running at half efficiency, bleeding millions in profit. Here's how to fix it in 2025. 1. Identify task bottlenecks with precision targeting. 2. Optimize team performance based on real output data. 3. Prioritize high-impact workflows using value matrices. 4. Predict problems before they cost you money. 5. Fix cross-system integration failures. 6. Eliminate compliance waste while staying protected. 7. Automate continuous improvements for compound gains. Most companies guess where to optimize. KYP.ai uses unique real system data to pinpoint exactly which tasks, teams, and workflows are costing you money. Unlike other tools that show pretty dashboards, we give you actionable intelligence that connects to your existing systems and tells you exactly where each dollar of improvement comes from. KYP.ai will analyze your processes and show your top optimization opportunities with exact ROI calculations. Click the link in the description and learn more at KYP.ai.